several international journals that I have read. My complete name is Siti Fatima. You can call me Fatima. I'm from class 5B, Elementary School Teacher Education Study Program, Faculty of Teaching and Education at Lambung Mangkurat University. Planning and management of the state are two related and long-term activities. Phased implementation of space planning is a generic term for all systems. Wise management of the region must provide good country stability. Planning and management of the region will doubtless be connected with the morphological condition or misappropriation of land use. Buleleng Regency with hill morphology and narrow alluvial plains, resulting in land indicated to a limited settlement. The data from Statistik Indonesia 2020 in Buleleng Regency has 10 million population growth in 3 years' time, from 2016 until 2019. The Forum of Bali Drainage Basin notes that the environmental damage in Bali is increasingly severe due to the development of housing around the drainage basin, the management industry around the river, the growth in the rate of land function, and dig activity, especially sea digging materials. This environmental problem will have an impact on residential communities both directly across rivers. As a result, annual disaster, especially home in the Buleleng Regency that permanently constructed, will be hit by severe flooding and landslide when the monsoon arrive. The problem of disaster is one of the result of development that pay no attention to the proper location for the building. Based on the background that have been outlined, the objective of this research are to know how far the role of the geomorphological map for planning and management in the Indonesian region, especially in the Buleleng Regency. Furthermore, to evaluate the geomorphological map in planning and managing the housing in Buleleng Regency. The research used to the image of Landsat 8 operational land imager, thermal infrared sensor, or OLITERS in 2019, PET 161 and 162. In the Landsat image, the channel used in this research are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 channels, with visible channels and the infrared channels near, central, and far away. It will be used to interpret manually and to detect the geologic condition in Buleleng Regency. And then digital elevation model or DEM. The type of DEM data used is the shuttle radar terrain mission or is RTM, and data will eventually help identify topography in the Buleleng Regency. The method of interpretation refers to the term of relation and keyword 1994 by using the interpretation key. The key interpretation is used such as hue or color, shapes, texture, patterns, and size. The interpretation employed is by an overlay of image with DEM data to provide a realistic topographic impression in the field. Not only the image of remote sensing display in sunlight in lens, regular composite 3-to-1 channel, pseudo composite 5-6-7 channel, and durability of image spectral imaging to reinforce the image coupled with 15-meter resolution of Landsat. Restriction and the naming of the result. The interpretation referred to Suharsono 1998, and interpretation is that it is untenable in 9 different landform and the characteristic of each landform. For evaluate the result of this interpretation, needed to field survey with accuracy test. Use cross table from Kungalaton 1987. this research is an identification landform from Lancet 8 has found 6 landforms in Buleleng Regency. There are denudational landform, volcanic landform, structural landform, fluvial landform, marine landform, and karst landform. Each landform has characteristic and effect on the soil performed mainly for topographical condition. In the case of disaster, such as flood occur in Jalak Putih and Bakti-Seraga Regency, also in Musi Village, Goroga Subdistrict. The flash floods that hit residential settlement were caused by high rainfall intensity in the hills, so that the river's flow in Musi Village could not prevent the discharge of water from the upper areas. The structural hills carrying along with wood materials. The river that crosses Musi Village is seasonal and often dry, so that the people of Musi Village built settlement around the dry basin without worrying about flooding. The problem of disaster in the residential area are a clear example of the potential danger of building settlement that ignore geomorphology condition. In mapping geomorphology, structural landform was accessible to interpretation because of supporting data from them, and the result from field survey justify that interpretation. The accuracy test of the geomorphology map has been created with field condition was 81.6%. With the accuracy test value, the interpretation landform belongs to the grade category because it is above 60%. The conclusion that can be drawn from this research is the satellite imagery Landsat 8 and DAM can be used in making a geomorphology map with a field accuracy test of 81.6% against 6 landforms in the Buleleng Regency, so that geomorphology maps can be used as a basic map in the planning and management of territory in the Buleleng Regency. The role of the geomorphological map, especially in settlement development, can provide information related to the landform that is suitable and safe to build residential areas with low disaster risk.
Then, at this stage, planning also requires other data such as data on regional spatial planning. Thus, the problem that occur in the settlement of Buleleng Regency can be minimized. The limitation of this research is that it is only in the geomorphological map development phase, which is only for optimistic residential area.
Oke, thank you for watching. See you. Goodbye. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.